Hi, my name is Caitlin with Next Level SEO, OKC, and I spoke with you guys this morning, or your front office, about sending you guys a quick video on some tips and tricks on how to get some more traffic and some more clients from your website. So I'll talk about three main topics, which are content, citations, and backlinks. And then I'll also show you how I found your competitor, or who I'm calling your competitor, on Google and how important it is to really rank on Google. So the first thing I was going to talk about was your content, and that is just simply all of the paragraphs or written words here that explain your business, who you guys are, and what services you offer. Now, this front page, Google really likes you guys to have anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words, and then they will recognize you guys as the most knowledgeable business in this niche. Now, you guys have right over 100 words, which is not a whole lot, but 1,500 words would be ideal to get on your page. Now, we will go into this program I use called Ahrefs. It's Ahrefs, and this is just a bird's eye view of all the stuff going on with your website on the back end. So DR is domain rating, and this is really a number you guys want to get high up, really in this level to where it's all green, and that is just showing how much power your guys' website has. Now, to get more power, there's a few things we can do. You guys can get more backlinks, and you guys have quite a few backlinks, but we have a saying, backlinks and citations are not created equal. So 262 backlinks, maybe 100 of those are giving you guys good power or have good credibility. So you want to weed through the bad ones and get some more strong backlinks. Referring domains is simply the other websites or the other domains, either a blog or an article of someone else's, and as a client is reading through that, they'll click dentist or teeth whitening or veneers, and that is a backlink to your guys' website. The next large thing we will look at is organic keywords. So organic keywords is a phrase or a word that has to do with your industry. And now this one is your guys' name or part of your name. And you want ones that, have the location or the service. And you're looking for high volume, so anything over 150 is good, but the higher the better. KD is your keyword difficulty. The lower the number, the better. You really want these to be between 1 and 5. You want to target over 150 here and between 1 and 5 rating here. Now, if you guys look, you have this 200 people search per month. Low volume, which means other people are not, or low difficulty, other people or other businesses are not really targeting this specific word grouping. So you guys are getting 59 customers from that 200 because you're in position 1 on Google. Now on Google, you guys want to fall within 1 to 5. To start off, you want on that first page, which is anywhere from 1 to 10. But overall, over time, you guys want to fall within the first 5. Now I'll show you guys how I found your competition. Dentist in Brockton, MA pulls 400 people are searching that a month. With a keyword difficulty of 4. So it falls in our range, really high volume. Now with that, right here is what we call a Google Map Pack. Now I'm sure you guys have seen this if you search for restaurants or, hairstylists near me, this will pop up. Now what you guys do is you create a Google account, you put your business in the Google account, you will get a postcard in the mail with a code. You enter that code into your Google account, then registering your business with Google. When you do that, you do want to add a phone icon here because when people search this, this is the most credible of the services and companies in your guys' area. So they'll just click that, call, make an appointment, or have, questions about your services. Now, once you get your Google My Business registered, then we can go into citations, and I'll tell you about that here in a moment. This is where I pulled your competition because organic ranking, which is all of these listings, the first 10 I was talking about, that is also just as important as these top 3. If you can get both, you're in prime real estate. I mean, you will pull a lot of customers. So once you click that, then we have their page here. Now, as far as their content, they only have 564 words. So again, not hard to beat them out. And they don't have a whole lot. And a lot of theirs has to do with Corona, or COVID-19. So they don't have a whole lot about dentistry in general. But if we look at their bird's eye view, they only have a 1.1 domain rating, not large. Almost no backlinks on not a whole lot of other websites, but they have some power because somehow they're shooting at the top of Google organically. Now their keywords, this is probably the main reason they're shooting at the top, is because they picked broad keywords, so a lot of volume, but not that difficult, Katie, and they're owning these words because they're the only ones that are really targeting these keywords. So 450 search Brockton dentist, difficulty of 8. They're pulling 150 customers per month on just that word grouping because they're in position 1 on Google. And if you look, they're position 1. They have 1-2 position, and that's pretty much it. So they can pull a lot of customers, and if we go after those keywords, or if you guys go after those keywords, you will steal some of their traffic. Last thing I want to talk about is what I kind of already touched on, which is the citations. So citation is entering your NAP, your name, address, and phone number, into different websites that are essentially online white pages. So once you do that, you have created a citation. They only have, A1 Dental only has 11 citations. You guys have 47. That's quite a bit. But again, not all citations are created equal. So some of those aren't giving you guys any traffic. They're not giving you any pull or any, real power. So we would go through and you need to feed through those and see which ones are giving you guys, good calls and good traffic. Now, with that, all my clients, every single month, every week, I'm adding citations and backlinks. And with your website, we would want to get you from anywhere from 350 to 500 citations. That will shoot you at the top of both the Google My Business GMB or organically. I know that was a lot to go through. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you guys have any questions or anything else I can help you further with, I'd love to take your call. Please give me a call at 405-627-2693, or my email is caitlin@nextlevelseo-okc.com. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.